Hello everyone, today I want to get game God Rider of Java. Just I play it. It's something like nearly motorcycle rushing in the night. Okay, just passing through of this translate. I want to play right now. Now they just about small talk. I need to keep them up, and that's why they messenger and they bought changing weapon it too. Find a way to find them. Ngay để chặt lại song of BG. Listen to the car, there is no alarm. There is ghost something down, and I can feel him. So of course it hunting me and car. Why I can find them. Here they come. With my reflection, I don't dare to harm that car. It's nearly end of this messenger. Verify the water sooner. This weapon is easier than by gunner. No, I use the change. No idea to fight with the bot. Now the bot come. Put a road control deal, and I will fight him again. This is hard game, so I need to park in this part and say goodbye. Let me next part someday. I don't know what is this. I just want to tell it. Fight with him with my next condition. Don't know I can finish him. I need to spend my heal. Why I can't heal, I don't know. Maybe stop like this and be next part. Goodbye everyone. See you later.